Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Turbo. I wanted to do a quick update on this. I mean, obviously we've fallen down quite a bit, which was also to be expected. If you watched my last video, you knew that it was most likely after hitting this top right here that we would see a bigger pullback. Last night and overnight we got a significant support reaction, bullish reaction, whatever you want to call it. So that's why I wanted to cover it again today, kind of talking about what's possible. All right, I know a lot of you are still trading this. I know a lot of you are still interested in this. So we're going to do a full update. So let's get right into it. So the thing is that, like I said earlier, from this top, what we saw with Turbo, to kind of dive back into what happened, is that Turbo, first of all, historically, is quite manipulated. All right, we have seen in the past that Turbo is basically pushed up very, very aggressively and very quickly, and then we see a bigger sell-off. So that's for example what you saw right here: aggressive push, slow sell-off, aggressive push, slow sell-off. So what happened is in line with what has happened in the past already. And if you see the last couple of times we did this, you would almost say that it's most likely we will drop down much, much lower. And to that, I would say maybe, all right, it is a possibility that like if you compare the last couple of times, what's most likely is that we do something like this, right? But the thing is that the market circumstances are very, very different from these two times, all right? The market circumstances, these 3 times we pumped and then sold off, are much, much better right now, all right? Market circumstances there were not great. But then if you look at the open interest for Turbo, and this is also when I told you, I think it was like 3 or 2 days ago, what you see is that we gained a lot of momentum here very aggressively, and then you see the sell-off. And at this point of time, sure, we gained some momentum right here, but the momentum is, well, first of all, it's dropping again right now. And then apart from that, it's, well, I mean, that's the most important part. It was relatively much, much lower. So there is a bit of an imbalance there, and it's dropping again now. All right, so there's still positions being sold off every single hour. And therefore, Bitcoin is trying to turn bullish here. Maybe if Bitcoin turns bullish, we can actually break out. Like the main resistance level at this point of time, we would need to break to rally again for Turbo is 0.66 cents here. So that is a possibility, but I would say that like every time that Turbo does a breakout like that, its momentum is looking great. Momentum right now is looking horrific. So that in combination with the markets being less bullish than they were a couple of days back, I would say it is most likely that we will drop down lower into 0.57 cents. That is still a strong support level, and then into the 0.5 or half a cent levels. So this is for now what I think is most likely. Now, what I want you to do though, if you're interested in longing Turbo, is first of all place a price alert at 0.66 cents, and second of all keep an eye on the open interest for Turbo. All right, because even though at this moment I think it's most likely we will continue to head down, and at this moment we're still selling off, and we're below some significant resistance levels, and we actually broke down below those, so that's also a bearish confirmation. Even though I think that's the case, Turbo can turn around very quickly, all right? And I won't be able to make a quick video on that at any moment. So that's what I'm telling you. If the open interest switches, if the open interest reverses, and we break above 0.66 cents, then we can still rally. It's just that at this point of time, it's not most likely. And those are my thoughts, all right? So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.